Hello everyone, welcome back to the Archana's Teaching Hub. If you are preparing for CTET FEB 2026, then today's class is super important for you because learning disability is one of the most repeated topic in a CDP for a paper 1 as well as paper 2. In this video, we will learn what are learning disability, types of learning disability, difference between learning disability and learning difficulty, role of teacher, and most expected CTET PYQ concepts. All explained in a easy way, no confusion terms. So keep your notebook ready and let's start now. What is learning disability? A learning disability is a neurological disorder that affect a child's ability to read, write, spell, calculate, understand information. Important point: child has normal or above average intelligence. Problem is not due to laziness. Problem is not due to lack of motivation. Learning disability is not related to intelligence. Now, key characteristic of learning disability. Children with learning disability may read very slowly, make spelling mistakes, reverse letter like B, D, and P, Q. Face difficulty in maths, take more time to learn. They are not mentally retarded, they are not careless. Types of learning disability. CTET mostly ask from these. One, dyslexia means a reading disability. Difficulty in a reading. Child may skip words while reading, read very slowly. Confusion letters like B call D and P call Q. Intelligence is normal. Most common learning disability asked in a CTET. Dyslexia. Now, two, dysgraphia, writing disability. Difficulty in writing means dysgraphia. Child may written letters incorrectly, poor handwriting, make spelling mistakes. Child knows the answer but cannot write properly. Number third, dyscalculia, mathematics disability. Difficulty in a mathematics, it's called dyscalculia. Child may confuse numbers, face problems in addition, subtraction, unable to understand words problems. Very common in a paper 2 maths CDP question. 4. Dysgraphia, dyspraxia, motor skill problem. Difficulty in a movement and coordination. It is called dyspharax. Child may have a poor balance, difficulty in buttoning shirt, problem in holding pencil. Now we will learn learning disability versus learning difficulty. Learning disability is neurological disorder and a learning difficulty is temporary problem. Learning disability is a permanent. Learning difficulty can be improved. Learning disability not due to environment. Learning difficulty due to poor teaching and language. Learning disability needs special supports. Learning difficulty needs practice. Learning disability is intrinsic, learning difficulty in extrinsic. What learning disability is not. CTET often asks this indirectly. Learning disability is not caused by low intelligence, poor motivation, poverty, emotional disturbance. These may be associated but not the cause. Role of teacher. CTET focus on a teacher attitude. A good teacher should be patient and supportive, use multi-sensory teaching methods, give extra time for a task, avoid punishment and comprehension, focus on strength now, not weaknesses. Teacher should use remedial teaching and individualized instruction. Now, assessment of learning disability. Teacher should observe child continuously, use diagnostic test, consult special educator, avoid labeling the child. Early identification helps in a better intervention. Inclusive education and learning disability. Learning disability children should study in a regular classroom, get special supports, not be isolated. This is called inclusive education. CTET prefer inclusive approach, not segregation. Most expected CTET exams line. Learning disability is a neurological in a nature. Dyslexia affect reading. Dysgraphia affect writing. Dyscalculia affects mathematics. Intelligence level is a normal or above average. Teacher's role is supportive, not a punitive. That's all for today. If you understand learning disability clearly, then half of CDP is already done for a CTET. Watch this video two to three times before exam. PYQ from this topic are guaranteed. If you found this video helpful, like, comment, and subscribe to Archana's Teaching Up. See you in the next class. Thank you. Keep learning.